Your question: the line 2x plus 5y is equal to 20 cuts the x-axis at A and y-axis at B. The point C is the midpoint of line AB. Find the equation of the circle has center C and passes through the point A and B. Show that this circle also passes through the point 0, 0. How? So first what we have to do, just we have to draw a line on your coordinate. So this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. They have told that a line is what it is doing, cuts the x-axis and y-axis both. That means the line is just like this. Suppose the line is just like this. So this point is your A and this point is your B. So we know that on x-axis y is 0. Therefore the coordinate is x, 0. So here the coordinate of A is what? X, 0. And on y-axis the point is B. The coordinate is what? 0, y is the point here. Okay. Now see that they have given one equation. What is that? 2x plus 5y, that is equal to 20. So this is the line equation. So these coordinates are on this line. That means it will satisfy this. So first what we will do, just we will put this value here. What we will get in place of x and y. So here what you will get, x is x here. That means you will get 2x plus and y is 0. That means 5y is 0. That is equal to 20. So what you will get x? X is equal to 20 by 2. That is equal to 10. So x is 10 now. So we will get 10, 0 now coordinate of A. Now substitute this value in the same equation. What we will get? Here x is 0. That means 2x is 0. 0 plus 5y. That is equal to 20. So what is your y? 20 by 5. That is equal to 4. So that means your coordinate of B is what? 0, 4. So these are the coordinates of A and B. They have told that C is the midpoint of AB. So midpoint formula, what is that? X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the formula for that. Therefore your coordinate of C is what? See that x is equal to x1. So we can take anything, 10 plus 0 by 2. That is equal to 10 by 2 is 5. Next y. 4 plus 0 by 2. That is equal to. Now that means what? Your coordinate of the C is 5, 2. That means this C is 5, 2. We can say simply that. So this is the center. They have already told 5, 2 is the center. Just now we will write what is our equation of a circle. That means what? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square that is equal to r square. So this is the equation of circle, we can say. So but here h and k are the coordinate of the circle. For that, what we have to do, x minus h, that is 5 whole square, plus y minus k, that means 2 whole square, that is equal to r square. Now this equation is incomplete. Why? Means here r square, it should not be r square, it should be the value of that, radius value. So now next what they have told, see that if C is the center and passes through the point A and B, show that this circle also passes through the point origin also. That means the circle is, this is the center, it will be just like this. It will passes through B and A also. So now we will find out the radius of this circle. What is that radius? So you can take any way. So by a distance formula with the center and A or center and B, anything you can take. So we will take what? Center and A for radius. For that, what is your radius is, see that, root over x2 minus x1. A coordinate is what? 10, 0. That means 10 minus 5 whole square, plus 0 minus 2 whole square. That is equal to root under 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 square is 25. Plus 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4. 29 plus 4 is root over 29. If r is this, what is your r square? So root 29 square is 29 only. Therefore, we will get what? 29 here. So we will get our equation as x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 29. Now, next what they have told, show that the circle also passes through the point 0, 0. How we can show that? So if you see this equation, instead of x, if you put the value 0 here and in y put the value 0, the LHS should be RHS. So here what is that? Minus 5 square. 0 minus 5 whole square is 25. Plus 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4. So this is equal to 29. So now we can say 29 is equal to 29. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So like this we have to do it.